Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to study computer science grade metric. So I am going to share the screen for you. Okay, so here we go from the course outline. There are basically 8 chapters. We have to divide these chapters into 4. First 4 will be in first term and the rest will be coming in second term, which we will discuss later. So as you know that we have already covered some of the basic, what are the capabilities of computer, their speed, repetition, accuracy, and the software those parts which you can not touch. These are the instruction commands to give to a computer, and hardware is something, those are the physical parts of a computer which you can touch and you can use them. And as you are aware, what is the definition of computer? It is a kind of a machine you use for your daily usage, and it's a device to process your data. And there's a limitation that computer cannot take wrong interpretation means any instruction or commands they generate their information on their own, cannot come up with an original decision. What is feed in their system, they will operate it. There's nothing new they will brought up. Now we will discuss about the history of computer and their development. Okay, so as you know that there is a history of the computers. There was Abacus, Napier, Pons, Slide Rule, Pascaline. These were the early computers invented by the scientists and the people of that time with their innovation. So we are going to discuss each one by one, what are their discoveries, and then we will cover the 5 generations of computer, and then we will cover these in the today's topic. So this is the evolution of computer systems about abacus. So basically abacus was invented about 5,000 years ago. So again I need to share this screen. So we were talking about the abacus. So as you know that it was invented 5,000 years ago in Asia, and it is still used in today. Is considered as was considered as the first computer. But this device, as you know, was arranged in a sliding beads, which were arranged in a rack. Rack means kind of a rectangular box in which the merchants use. Merchants means business people were using it for their transaction, for their buying and selling purpose. But as soon the paper and pencil was started in Europe or in other countries, the importance of abacus was less, and nearly in 12th century, the significant advance in computer devices were emerging. So in the time, the evolution of abacus was reducing, and because many other devices advanced, and significant advance in computing devices were more coming and were more emerging. Okay, so as you know that I already told you about the abacus. Now we have to move on another slide. Okay, there's okay, one thing I need to tell you, that you have to take your book, because I am telling you many things from the book. So if you don't have to go through the slides all by, you have to tell your book for each and everything. And then there was this Napier Pons. Napier Pons was the first to use the decimal points. Decimal points, and invented the logarithm system for multiplication purpose. Best known for his machines was Bones and Nefer Bones. This device was a set of 11 bones, or you can say the rods, in which there was a mark on them. By placing from side to side, products and quotients of large numbers can be obtained easily. As you know that they had these 11 rods in which number was already given, and through which you can do the multiplication, quotient and logarithms equation. Then there was slide rule. Although the slide rule, just a sec. Okay, slide rule. Although the slide rule appeared in various forms in Europe during the 20th century, based on the Napier's logarithm that was to be the primary calculator used by the engineers through the 19th and early 20th century. But this was the slide rule consist of, this was about two movable rulers. Movable rulers means they can move from one side to another side. Each ruler is marked off in such a way that the distance from beginning to the end is printed on them, and through which they can multiply and divide. With a common currency of 3 digits, the slide rule, an analog device, provides sufficient precision for most of the calculation. Through this, from one point to another point, the printing was already there. So you can take out the calculation in a more precise manner. But the calculation for accounting was not feasible in slide rule, so this was not in a long run used slide rule. And then this was Pascaline. Pascaline was the son of a French tax collector. He started this device to help his father with some money. The first operating model, what a numerical wheel calculator, was invented in 1642. This was a brass rectangular box. Rectangular is like a kind of a shape of a square called Pascaline. In that there was movable 8 discs. So these 8 discs were already there, and they were moving from one side to another side, and there was additional 2 more, so that they can move and they will represent an equal chance for the add and subtraction. But usually multiplication and division operation was not there in Pascaline and system. So what really happened, that he tried to merge them with them by converting its complement, which is then added with the first number. And then modern computers employ the same techniques which he used. Then there is a Leibniz calculator. Then there was a Leibniz calculator, in which